In today's video, I will walk you through how to add technical indicators in Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open Robinhood on your device and access the main interface where advanced charting tools are available for stock analysis. Once you are inside, select the stock you want to analyze, and this will open the chart and detailed view for that specific stock. After the chart loads, look toward the right side of the screen, where you will find the Indicators icon. Click on it to open the Indicators menu, where all chart indicator tools are managed. Inside this menu, select Add Indicator to view the full list of available technical indicators. Scroll through the list and choose the indicator you want to apply to your chart. Once you click on it, the indicator will be added directly to the chart and will immediately update the display based on the selected data. If you want to add more indicators, go back to the Indicators icon on the right side and select Add Indicator again. From there, you can choose additional indicators and apply them to the same chart, and each one will appear and update in real time as you add or adjust them. You can repeat this process as many times as needed to build a full set of indicators for your analysis. If you need to manage or change anything, return to the Indicators icon and reopen the same menu to modify your selections. You can switch between different indicators or remove and replace them depending on how you want to view the chart. Once added, the indicators will stay active on the chart while you continue analyzing the stock. If you switch to another stock, you can repeat the same steps by selecting a new stock, opening the Indicators menu, and adding your preferred tools again. After completing these steps, your technical indicators will be fully applied and ready for use in Robinhood Legend for more detailed chart analysis.